In this video, we're going to show you how to prep your car for winter so you avoid breakdowns, expensive repairs, and most importantly, get home safely. Let's get to it. The first snow of the season. Beautiful to see, unless you forgot to prep your car for the cold and now it won't start. Luckily, we're going to show you some tips and tricks to help prepare your car for winter weather so you don't end up stranded on the side of the road. And even if you do, we have some life-saving tips for that as well. So stay tuned. Ideally, you should do the first couple of tips before the freezing cold arrives, starting with checking your coolant. If you don't have antifreeze in your coolant, it can freeze during cold winter temperatures, and when it freezes, it expands and can crack hoses, your radiator, and even your engine block. What you want to do is use one of these affordable testers and check the temperature your coolant is rated at. They both work in a similar way with a gauge floating in the coolant to indicate the temperature rating. It's super easy. Just open the radiator, suck enough fluid in there so the thermometer-looking gauge floats, and read the temperature at the coolant level. That's all there is to it. And as you can see, ours is rated up to -40 degrees Celsius, which, believe it or not, is also exactly -40 degrees Fahrenheit. Our next tip is to check your windshield washer fluid. A lot of winter washer fluids go as low as -25 degrees Fahrenheit, while regular ones may only protect to +32 degrees. So make sure you pick the right ones suited for your climate. Otherwise, the windshield washer nozzles, lines, and reservoir can freeze and crack. Not only that, but if you use it on your windshield, it will just freeze and make visibility worse. Talking about safety, you should always make sure you still have enough thread left on your tires, especially in winter. On top of that, having summer, all-season, or winter tires makes a huge difference in traction on icy roads. Below 45 degrees Fahrenheit or 7 degrees Celsius, summer tires become hard and lose most of their traction. Winter tires have a different rubber composition and will give much more traction in cold temperatures and on icy roads. If nothing is written on your tires, they're summer tires. If they have an M+S indication, it's rated for mud and snow, and the three-peak mountain with a snowflake means it's a true winter tire. So make sure to check this and switch to winter tires. The extra grip may prevent an accident or getting stuck in the snow. Another important tip for driving in winter is to always keep your fuel tank at least half full. That's because the fuel tank is located in the back of the vehicle, and the extra weight of a full tank will help rear-wheel drive cars to get traction. Also, if you keep it more than half full, you greatly reduce the risk of your fuel lines freezing. Another reason is that fuel means heat. If you get stuck in the snow, you can keep the engine running on a full tank for hours and stay warm while waiting for help. Another very common issue when temperatures drop is a dead battery. As you can see, our Jeeps are connected to an intelligent trickle charger which keeps our battery in optimal condition so we never end up with a dead battery on a cold winter morning. We'll link to all the products we show in the description under the video, so make sure to check them out. If you don't have a trickle charger, you definitely want to test your battery's health before the cold hits. A battery loses almost half its power in the cold, and if it is an older battery already, it might just die on you during the first cold night. We have a separate video on our channel on how to test a car battery with a multimeter, load tester, and battery tester, so make sure to check it out. Finally, you should always have an emergency kit in your car for winter. Apart from the normal first aid kit and high-vis jackets, you should pack a scarf, gloves, and warm blanket to protect you from the cold in case your car breaks down. And the real lifesaver is having a portable jump starter in your car. You don't need another car to jumpstart your car, and it's a lot safer and easier to use. On top of that, most of them have USB ports and can act as a huge power bank for your phone as well. You can find a video on how to jumpstart your car on our channel. It never hurts to refresh the procedure for when you need it. Another item you cannot leave out of that kit is a trash bag. If you have a flat tire or need to get under your car, you don't have to sit with your knees in the snow. Just place the trash bag on the ground and sit on it. No more wet pants. Add some rubber winter gloves to that kit, and now you can change a tire with warm hands and dry pants. So remember to add warm clothes and blankets, a portable jump starter, a trash bag, and warm rubber gloves to your car, just in case. Now you're ready for winter. And if you want to know how to prepare your car for snow and avoid scraping your windshield in the morning, we have a separate video on that as well. So make sure to check it out. Thanks for watching. More videos are on the way, so be sure to like, comment, and share this video. It really helps us out a lot. Our content wouldn't be possible without the amazing support of our patrons and YouTube channel members, whose crew you can join via the links in the description to see our schedule, vote on future videos, get behind-the-scenes sneak peeks, and much more. This is Classic Car Maintenance, and we'll see you on the next one.